Colorado had its 10th warmest June on record. That means we've officially had the warmest first half of the year in history.
And we could see even more warmth coming up thanks to this incoming El Nino weather pattern. Weather Impact Team meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen explains.
Yeah, that really warm start to 2026 continues. The state of Colorado, by far the warmest first half of a year on record. This is how it breaks down county by county. All the red counties here have had their warmest first 6 months in history. A few of them with the second warmest, the northern mountains with the fourth and the fifth warmest. And that heat could continue thanks to the El Nino weather pattern, because that is also associated with heat. And it starts out with heat. Down here in the Pacific Ocean along the equator, that ocean water warms up and that kicks off the El Nino weather pattern, and that can distribute some heat up here into the northern hemisphere. And it does favor a warm fall and a warm winter here in Colorado. So I know what you're thinking. You're saying, I thought El Nino was about the snow. Can you have warm conditions and snowy conditions? Well, in Colorado, yeah, you can. I'll show you that way. Looking at the El Nino jet stream pattern, now typically it's very active and very amplified. So take a look here. Here's maybe a typical winter day. You have this big amplification in the jet stream. We're under high pressure. Maybe Colorado's having one of those really warm, sunny 60-degree days in the winter. And we have the cold and stormy conditions down here, the southeast. And then the very next day, we could be in a snowstorm here in Denver and across Colorado, while the warm, dry air moves up here to the northeast. And this pattern can repeat over and over again throughout the winter. And when it all averages out, you can have a warmer and snowier winter. So take a look at the last 5 El Ninos here in Colorado winters. 4 out of the last 5 have been warmer than average, and 4 out of the last 5 have been snowier than average when it comes to mountain snowpack. So it's a small sample size, but the El Nino can favor warmer than average conditions and snowier than average conditions in Colorado. I'm meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen for the 9 News Weather Impact Team.